In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use advanced search in Asana. By the end, you'll be able to quickly find exactly the tasks you need, instead of scrolling endlessly through projects or inboxes. Let's start from your main Asana workspace. At the very top of your screen, near the middle, you'll see the search bar. This is where all searches begin. Go ahead and click on that search bar. You might be used to just typing in a keyword here, like a task name or a project, but we're going to take it a step further and use the advanced options. Once the search bar is open, look for the option labeled Advanced Search along the side or just below the basic search field. Click on Advanced Search. This opens a more detailed panel that lets you really narrow down what you're looking for. Now, this is where the power of Asana Search really comes in. You'll see a set of fields where you can fill in your criteria. Take a moment to think about what you're trying to find. For example, you might want all tasks assigned to you or to a specific teammate. In that case, use the Asana field and choose the appropriate person. Next, consider dates. If you're trying to see what's due this week or tasks that are overdue, use the date fields. You can set filters like due date within a range or tasks created during a certain time period. This is helpful when you need a snapshot of your workload for planning or reporting. You can also combine multiple criteria. For instance, you might search for tasks assigned to you in a particular project with a due date this month. The more specific your criteria, the more focused your results will be. If your search feels too broad, add another filter. If it feels too narrow and you're not seeing what you expect, remove one filter and try again. Once you've filled in all the criteria that matter for your search, you're ready to run it. Look for the search button, usually at the bottom or to the side of this panel, and click Search. Asana will now display a list of tasks that match the filters you've set. You can scan through this list, open tasks directly, and even adjust your search criteria if you want to refine the results further. With just these simple steps, you can turn Asana's advanced search into a powerful way to stay organized and focused on the work that matters most.